come off our name. Come off our name. Cause after we pray to the storm send come here with no lightning nor thunder. It's the first from my barn. Me was a natural disaster supposed to come with lightning, thunder and rain. God bless the local rain. We have fall a pure big breeze.
All right. Thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. We're going to cover aspects of the the new smart city plan. We're going to find out what is H.A.R.P. H-A.A.R.P. Is it a big land grab going on right now in the Caribbean?
So, when foreign aids come to Jamaica, if you take it, your land will be taken over.
Right. Do not sell your land no matter what happens. Keep that land. It could be part of this thing called Agenda 21.
When it comes down to surveillance, control, and basically a prison without bars, controlled by AI, Jamaica has a comprehensive plan for smart city development.
Keep it locked right here. It's the Mr. Show. And I redpillrixter. Remember to share, like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe.
Smart city land clearing operation going on. This time it's in Jamaica with Hurricane Melissa, the fastest growing hurricane ever. Hurricane Melissa is now stronger than Hurricane Katrina. The slow move.
You hearing that? Are you hearing
Smart
that?
city land clearing operation going on. This time it's in Jamaica with Hurricane Melissa, the fastest growing hurricane ever. Hurricane Melissa is now stronger than Hurricane Katrina. The slow moving Category 5 hurricane is forecasted to dump several feet of rain on New Kingston, aka New Jamaica, which is our...
The one thing I worry about the most in Jamaica with everything that was going on was the landslides. Right? Because my family's from Portland, Jamaica, and you know we have a whole heap of hills and stuff in Portland. Shout out to St. Mary people, them and stuff. And you know, say I was really worried about the landslides. And check this out. Street gone over there, sir. It's crazy.
Which is already slated to be a smart city. That's 8 billion reasons to send a H.A.R.P to Jamaica.
That's right here. Watcha? Tree thump in a car, then this to the real. Put it? The place mash.
Place
Right
mash up.
Them here river off a road fling down in a gully. Put it? The people them a sweep mud out of the yard. Upstairs, the only who have upstairs could have go upstairs or they run go a neighbor yard. Go upstairs. Watcha? Tree thump in a car.
If you're Jamaican and you got affected by H.A.R.P, and I said H.A.R.P because H.A.R.P is an organization who controls the weather and could send hurricanes wherever they want to send them.
Hold on. That was a mouthful. But back in the day, Jesse Ventura had a show, and he exposed H.A.R.P. That's where I first heard about it. Beaming radio frequencies and bringing all kind of things into the sky, into the clouds. Prince, the artist, rest in peace, was talking about chemtrails and heavy metals that they're putting in the skies and stuff. And it was just pretty much, I don't know if it's the same connected thing, but it's pretty much a way to control the weather, which is supposed to be used for agricultural purposes to help grow, you know, put water where there's no water and stuff. But it looks like it could be also used for war. Oh boy. H.A.R.P. H-A.A.R.P. Look it up and see if you find anything, because I know they've been taking a lot of this stuff off the internet. Let's go.
Jamaican and you got affected by H.A.R.P, and I said H.A.R.P because H.A.R.P is an organization who controls the weather and could send hurricanes wherever they want to send them. Okay, if you have land, do not sell it. You're going to have a bunch of Europeans, a bunch of Dubaians, Arabs, and a bunch of Jewish people coming down there trying to buy off the land so they could create that smart city close to Kingston. Now, and Your Holiness and the Governor General, who's connected to the royal family in England, all of them are in on all of this stuff. So when foreign aids come to Jamaica, if you take it, your land will be taken over. If foreign aids come to Jamaica and you accept all the help, they will come and infiltrate and they will take over your land and they will disperse a bunch of local Jamaicans, IDK weird. Sometimes they even kidnap them, take them places, and they never return. So remember, Jamaicans, hold on to your land. Don't
talk about what's happening in Jamaica right now, because nobody is talking about the coincidence, the shocking coincidence that Jamaica signed on to do and now is experiencing this Category 5 hurricane that's wiped out the frickin' island. My thoughts and prayers go out to all those affected, and now let's get into it. So did you know that Jamaica signed on to something called Vision 2030, where they want to change a lot of how Jamaica was, and they have all these fancy buzzwords, but what it really is surveillance, smart grid, smart technology, smart city. Kind of like what happened in Hawaii. As you can see on the website, you see the Sustainable Development Goals. That's Agenda 21. Now, Agenda 21, as we know, is the shocking agenda to do a lot of things to all the countries in the world, which seem good on the surface: equality, diversity, inclusion, when it really comes down to surveillance, control, and basically a prison without bars, controlled by AI. Jamaica has a comprehensive plan for smart city development, including a new city project. Well, how are you going to build a new city where there already is one? Oh, what happened to Maui? What happened to other places that had a smart city planned? What happened, the other thing I was thinking too is, what happened to the hurricane that blew into South Carolina, where they found a massive lithium deposit and then a hurricane wiped out the whole area and they're telling people they can't build there anymore? Vision 2030 Jamaica, absolutely shocking. The plan to test and implement smart technologies. Improve your quality of life. Yeah, talk to a robot every frickin' day. Real lifestyle quality there, dude. And then also, drive economic growth. Do you mean economic units, where they judge you based on carbon credits and there's no longer currency? Is this the whole plan? Let me know if you think this is just a shocking coincidence. But actually, I guess I didn't really say, how would a hurricane have anything to do with this plan? Unless, of course, you could do anything to modify the weather. But surely weather modification is totally fake and impossible, right? And it would never be used nefariously against innocent people. We'll talk more about that in the next one. Comment your thoughts below and follow for more.
They're on a rescue mission, rescue mission. Oh. Place flood. They're on a rescue mission, boy.
Fox News, come here. Are you no come for?
All right. It's one thing I know for sure. Have you ever seen a real thunderstorm, a real hurricane, a real tornado, a real natural disaster that involved water, that did not have lightning or did not have any thunder?
Fox News, come off our name. Come off our name. Cause after on the crate on a storm send come here with no lightning nor thunder. It's the first from my barn. Me know it's a natural disaster supposed to come with lightning, thunder and rain. God bless the local rain. We have fall a pure big breeze. No lightning, no thunder. God not have nothing to do with this in a Fox News. When you come off our name. But one thing we know for sure and two things for certain about Mali did say rumors of war. And I will tell you something. God now sit down and watch you do this. God is still in control. God is.
All right, so what the video that you're seeing right there is the airport. That is the airport. You see the airport in Montego Bay.
Still able. We don't have under population control.
Oh, she's saying some key words here, people. She is saying some key words, people. Let's go.
Something. God now sit down and watch you do this. God is still in control. God is still able. We don't have under population control. And I take our family them from where now we could live the 3 score and 10 where we feel live. But God I watch you no man. And no sin on this earth will leave blood out.
All our foreign people are foreign, our foreign family them. Don't come here and text people on the phone and ask you if it's alright. Just send things come give it. Cause you can't ask people if they're alright after category 5 stamp. Send things come give it. Before they know if you stay when they come down here.
Did you hear the threat? Send things and give them. Send things come give it. Before we come down there and don't have no place to stay. But you know what him need?
He needs some milk.
Me tell you already I'm a
Rate up better coming up. Bye. Rate up better than that. Oh, fuck, Oh, fuck no! You got people them know say my house wash wet. See my house the size, see the yellow building there. Water gone with everything. My passport, my visa, everything water gone with. See it there? Everything water gone with.
What's the most attractive accent?
Jamaican.
Jamaican? Why?